in the dark side, the moons can shine, but it'll take some time and you can find what you're looking for. You're the young star you should be shooting for, yeah. Don't take some risks, you'll get damaged, and he cannot handle your standards. Yeah, you're the only one he'll talk about, but don't have to change where you talk it out. So how many times will you pick up your pedals? Too late, nothing left, girl, you need someone else. On the inside, girl, you soft, I can tell. And on the outside, girl, you hard like a shell. I know you're tired of them broken hearts, but even roses can be torn apart. Torn apart. Broken roses, I can't focus. Something precious like you should be never open. So take some time to, don't compromise you, cause you're worth it. Don't let them touch your surface. Yeah. Love is such a strong vocabulary, I mean everything that's really imaginary can seem really, you know you sorta deserve better. The best part about trust is just the third letter. Can't nobody do you better than you do you. No Netflix and chills, only self-love and Hulu. That they never cared, so that's really why you broken. Better to live alone, to just live in the moment. Broken roses, I can't focus. Something precious like you should be never opened. So take some time to, don't compromise you, cause you're worth it. Don't let them touch your surface. You'll turn to broken roses. Broken roses. You'll turn to broken roses. Broken roses. You'll turn to broken roses.
3, 2, 1.
The air in this room's getting thin. My patience for you is getting thinner. Don't care if you're lonely again. Just let me escape for a minute. I want space, build myself a spaceship. Your gravity, but I wanna be weightless. Suit up, I can't take this, blast off. I'm over the moon, I'm loving this view. Not thinking about you. I'm cutting you loose in T-minus 2. Not thinking about you. I'm over the and you can't keep it close all the time. I don't need to ask your permission. Your gravity, but I wanna be weightless. Suit up, I can't take this. Blast off. I'm over the moon, I'm loving this view. Not thinking about you. I'm cutting you loose in T-minus 2. Not thinking about you. I'm over the
We don't have a problem. Thanks for checking in. But I'm gonna be up here a bit longer.
I'm over the moon, I'm loving this view. Not thinking about you. I'm cutting you loose in T-minus 2. Not thinking about you. I'm over the
cannot chase you, and chase you. Yeah, I cannot chase you, I cannot fly, I cannot make you, you make up your mind. You want me to prove it to you, to see what I lose. If I cannot find you up in the dust, if I stand here waiting, would you think I must stay here for days, losing my way? I'ma go home, I'ma type up my thoughts, print it out, color, don't slip, dancing in your socks. When you read it, let me know if I'm enough. I keep on spitting facts, and you know that I don't bluff. Chase you, I cannot fly. Two, three. I cannot chase you, I cannot fly, I cannot make you make up your mind. You want me to prove it to you, to see what I lose, to see what I lose. If I cannot find you up in the dust, if I stand here waiting, would you think I must stay here for days? I'm losing my ways.
There's really no point in waiting for someone who's not gonna change. Yeah, I guess you're right. Should I just end it?
I cannot chase you, I cannot fly, I cannot make you, you make up your mind. You want me to prove it to you, to see what I lose.